Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to delete your Snapchat account. Deleting your account can be useful if you want to take a break from social media or permanently remove your presence. So, let's get started on how to delete your Snapchat account. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the list. Here you can see the delete account option. Tap on it. In the provided field, enter your Snapchat username or the email associated with your account. Then, tap on the next button. Now, you will need to enter your Snapchat password in the password section. After you have entered your password, tap on the next button. And this is how you can delete your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.